Emergency Air Conditioning Repair, New Caney and Porter, Texas. Learn what you can do yourself and when to call a pro for AC repair, installation, and maintenance. You can change the air filter and clear debris near the outside unit. But other jobs are best left to the pros at Guy's AC and Heating in New Caney and Porter, Texas. For AC repair, installation, and maintenance, you can do more harm than good if you aren't a professional. Proper installation ensures efficient cooling and lower monthly energy bills. To keep your AC in top shape, contact us for annual maintenance services. Our central air services include repairs and troubleshooting. Guy's AC and Heating in New Caney, Texas is the go-to HVAC contractor for all AC services, and we also offer emergency AC repair to help you keep your cool in New Caney and Porter, Texas. For more information, visit guysac.com.